Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Adrian, and in this video I'm going to show you how to tie the double overhand noose. Let's jump into it. Alright, so to tie the double overhand noose, form a bight of line, take the working end and wrap it around the bight twice. Then take the working end and pass it through those two turns. Tie it, dress it, and then set it. Now, something to note about this knot is that once it's put under load around an object, it becomes really hard to untie this. It can become impossible to untie it, and you might have to cut it out. Which is why I typically only use this knot if it's not going to be put under heavy load, or if I'm connecting it to a carabiner. This is my favorite knot to connect to carabiners. And I really like it because it stabilizes the carabiner. So you can see the carabiner is not flopping from side to side. The carabiner is stabilized by the knot, which can be really handy. Now once the carabiner is in here, it doesn't really matter how much load you put onto the line and therefore onto the knot, because it will always be easy to untie if you can take whatever object to which it is tied out, like this. Then the knot will simply slip through itself, like that. So there you have it. That's how you tie the double overhand noose. That's it for this one. See you in the next one.